Today's video is regarding Canon Pixma TR4700 series printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer and open the front door. Open the paper output tray and ink cartridge chamber door is here. So press this door down and take it out. Wait for the ink cartridges to move and come into the middle. Now press the ink cartridge lock down and take ink cartridge out. Install the new ink cartridge. So slide in the black ink cartridge to the black side. So place it here, slide it in and then push the lock up. Slide the color ink cartridge and push the lock up. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. So once your printer is ready, you will see if there is no any error, that means your printer is ready, and if you don't see any error, that means we have installed the ink cartridges properly and we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.